back to the Truckstop, everybody. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic freaking day. So I know I did a video on, professional. Look at this guy. You see this guy? He must be light, and instead of hooking the edge of the road like I am, his trailer is like about ready to wipe out every time the wind blows. And yes, my friends, I am so sick of winter. This is not funny. I'm done. Oh my God, this is so ridiculously stupid. But yeah, I caught up to this guy and I'm hooked on the edge. Yes, I am driving on the shoulder, and I know we're not supposed to be driving on the shoulder, but I'm empty. And watch this guy. Is it gonna do it? No, because there's a little bit of stuff on the. There it goes. See it? Get on the shoulder, dude. Hook your freaking passenger side on this side of the tires right here. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. And his truck will break loose after his trailer. I mean, look at his trailer. It's blowing sideways. I mean, this is ridiculous. There it goes again. It's pretty sad when I can actually read the name on the side of the trailer from behind the guy. But what happened? Why? Maybe some of you smarter people can answer me this question. But why have we stepped away from just sand and salt? Why are we using this chloroform crap that doesn't do any good except for make this stuff? I know it probably doesn't come across the video as well as it does in real life, but it's a layer of packed ice. So basically, traffic has packed the snow down, snowplows have come across and basically just scraped it into like super slippery ice. And holy crap, I'm almost out of fuel. Ugh, this is not gonna be fun. But yeah, I don't understand. Well, there he goes again. I don't understand why we're not. Buddy, hang on to it, man. Hang on to it. Please do not wreck in front of me. But I don't understand why we're not using sand and salt, or at least sand. Put some grip on this stuff. Oh, that was a big one. I can even. Whoa! Oh my god! Okay, seriously, dude. I know you can see me in your mirror because I can see you fucking white knuckling it up there, but I don't know why he's not. Just hook your tire, dude. I would get on the radio. Trust me, guys. I would get on the radio, but I don't have one. Well, I do have one, but I don't have one. I know that doesn't make any sense. But he can look in the mirror and see what I'm doing, and I keep catching him. Oh my gosh, look at this. Whoa. Mine, I can feel it, but it's hitting that berm. So, like, right there is a berm, and it's about a 2-inch lip from the asphalt to the concrete, because the shoulder is asphalt, and then the lane is concrete. And concrete is the worst, especially with this kind of stuff, because you can't tell what's what. And hold on. Okay. Now we're gonna have to do some magical stuff, because I am in desperate need of some fuel. And quite honestly, that guy scares me. So let's go ahead and shut the video off for a second and see if we can't get some fuel. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, we got fuel. Freaking 96 gallons. 96 point, what was it? 96.659 out of 100 gallons. So yeah, I needed fuel. Almost to where I got to go to get loaded. And God, I can't wait to get loaded. I never thought I'd ever say that in my life, but I cannot wait to get loaded. Holy crap. This is ridiculous. This is probably going to come out a couple weeks after this snowstorm happened. But I guess throughout the South, because today is April 3rd. So it'll probably come out in about 3 weeks from April 3rd. So a little remember back when. You know, we probably sit back and laugh at it in another snowstorm. But this is so stupid. Yeah, we're basically doing like 40 miles an hour. You know, hey, if you guys were in this, I hope you were safe. Especially down south with all the thunderstorms and the tornadoes and stuff like that. And if you guys are up in the Midwest, you know, Minnesota, Iowa, Dakota, South Dakota, Wisconsin, I guess this is kind of all affecting everybody up here in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, it's oh my gosh, I'm ready. You know what? I'm gonna say it right here, right now. I am ready for 105 degree, 100% humidity in Minnesota. I'm sorry. This is just nonsense. So far, I have not seen that truck that was losing his trailer. I'm hoping he's okay. When I get loaded, I'm only going to be on just a short stretch of this. I'm actually going to take a road that we're not supposed to go on loaded. And you know, if a DOT is watching this and you want to write me a ticket, go right the hell ahead. Because this 60, the road crews on 60 have always kind of sucked. Just because there's so much traffic on 60. I mean, I read a report from Mankato down to Windham, and south, all the way down into Iowa and stuff like that. 60 has more traffic on it than I-90. And this isn't even an interstate. This is just a 4-lane road. This is highway. And I forget, I think it was a couple years ago. So, you know, these guys, the road crew, it's not them. You know, it's, they're just dealing with so much traffic that, you know, they literally, this is what they have to deal with. And like I said before, I don't understand why we're not using, you know, sand and salt. It's got to be cheaper than mixing chemicals together. Plus, it also supports, you know, gravel pits and gravel companies. Not like they need any more money, but you know what? The more they work, the more people get employed. You know, these salt mines, I'm sure they're hurting because nobody's buying salt anymore. You know, quit with the chloroform crap. Just go back to the stuff that actually works and doesn't chew our cars and trucks up from the bottom up. I mean, this is just ridiculous. But anywho, ladies and gentle babes, I'm gonna run because there starts the trains, and about a mile I have to make me another left-hand turn. Hope like heck the intersection is cleaned out, which most likely it is not. But hey, you know what? Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today, even though you really can't see much. Welcome to the club, because I can't either. But hey, if you guys are new around here, by all means, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Every Wednesdays, we do this. We hang out. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming to find me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and grab your front row parking here at the truck stop, because guess what? Every row is front row, baby. You don't have very far to walk. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Speed safely, by the way.